Hi guys, welcome to True Academy, a source of knowledge. And today I'm back with another Math Magic 3 easy trick on division. How fast we can divide? 397 divided by 7, 497 divided by 7 and 597 divided by 7. Let's see now. 497 divided by 7. This can be done only between 10, that is 5 or 2. So first 7 5s we get 35 and add 0 to both of them. So 7 into 50 we get 350. 497 minus 350 will give you 147. Now 7 into 2 which gives you 114 and 7 into 20 we get 140. So 147 minus 140 will give you 7. So quotient is equal to 50 plus 20 equal to 70 and the remainder is 7. Now let's check whether it is right or wrong. Formula. You know that sum of quotient into divisor plus remainder. So 50 plus 20 is the sum of the quotient and the divisor is 7 plus remainder. 50 plus 20 will give you 70. 70 into 7 490 and plus 7 we get 497. So that is correct. And now let's see for 597 divided by 7 which is also in the same way. This can also be done only between 10, that is 5 and 2. 7 5 is 35. So 7 into 50 we get 350. So 597 by minus 350 we get 247. And next we have to take 2. So 7 into 2 14. 7 into 20 we get 140. So 247 minus 140 we get 107. And next now we need to take with 10. So 7 into 10 will give you 70. 107 minus 70 will give you 37. So finally we get 2. 37 minus 35, 2. So now quotient is equal to 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5 which gives you 85 and the remainder you know that it is 2. So now let's check whether it is right or wrong. Formula. Sum of quotient into divisor plus remainder. 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5 into 7 plus 2. 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5 gives you 85. So 85 into 7 we get 595 and plus 2. So 597. It is verified. Now it's time for you to calculate and check whether it is right or wrong. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll be back in another video with another topic.